Should we repeatedly pray for the same thing, or should we ask only once for the prayer to come into reality?
First thing, this repeatedly praying, or should we ask only once? You need to repeat if you have not asked intensely. Repeating means if you have not beaten once properly. If you did not beat properly, you need to rebeat. If you have not prayed properly, you need to re-pray. I should tell you, Sadashiva has 1,000 times more listening than you. But when you pray, you yourself may not have listened it, you yourself may not have been integrated to it. Only then you need to pray. Just today I was discussing with Adinavasis. Many times you pray and it becomes reality. After that you don't even remember you prayed for it and got it. You just take it for granted. Just making you avoid taking it for granted, Mahadeva makes you pray few more times. So you will be integrated to what you asked and got it. See, for example, a car, or a house, or a relationship. If you just asked once and you got it, you may even forgot you prayed for it. If you pray again and again, then you get it. You know you prayed and got it, so you will be integrated to it. So just make you remember, understand? Our prayers sometimes made to repeat, so we will listen to that prayer clearly. Not Sadashiva need to listen to that again and again. Understand? Listen to this carefully. If you are asking for something to Mahadeva, once you uttered itself, he knows you want this. If he is delaying, he wants you to utter it and listen to you. You to listen to you few more times. So, when he grants, you know you asked for it, you will not take it for granted, you will live with it, you will be integrated to it. From my side, this is the exact precise way. I look at some prayers being answered immediately, some getting late. If Mahadeva feels you will not take it for granted, you will be responsible for what you asked, it is granted immediately. When he feels you may take it for granted, you may even forget you asked for it and got it. You may ruin it. Then he asks you to repeat, so you will remember. Prayers are made to repeat, not for the God to listen, but for you to listen again and again. What do you want? You are asked to repeat, not for Sadashiva to listen again, but for you to listen again.